We have here is a product that may come in a number of colors. Check online for further detail. It is a towel holder. Very simple to install. Let's show you what you get inside the box. Nice close-up look. The bar does not slide. It basically has a self-adhesive bottom that you can peel off. And then you take the supplied hardware and you screw them into the two holes over here. And then you put your towel on and you put the caps over it. If you don't want to use the hardware they give, you can use your own. So let's go give a nice demonstration what this may look like. We're going to demonstrate on a wall for you rather than putting it underneath where you're not going to see me doing the work. This could be put sideways as well as down underneath something. Do not forget you can peel the backing off if you need to self-adhere it without screws. We're going to demonstrate on a wall. You're going to take the washer, the screw, and the bracket. And you're going to find a hole, align it in, match up on the wall the best you can. Lock it into place, not super tight. Slide on your roll of paper towel. And there you have a nice presented paper towel holder for your needs, wherever you need to have paper towels. I hope you enjoy your product. And when you need to replace it, simply take it off, grab another one, and put on. Enjoy your product.